Now this is Supreme fruit blend pellets. This is also imported food, imported from USA. Supreme brand. This is medium large for medium size parrots like greys, Amazons, eclectus. This is fruit flavor. Now this is medium size vegetable pellets. This is vegetable flavor, round size, round shaped pellets, and this is also Supreme brand, imported food, imported from USA. So this is also very good for birds. This gives a balanced diet to the birds. Once in a daytime you can give these to your birds. This is suitable for cockatiels, conures and sun conures also, and for budgies also, lovebirds and budgies.